How about this circle in front of you on the top? Camera. And here, what do you call this one again? With letters? Keyboard. Panel. Imagine a group of boys playing baseball in a long, thin rectangular shape. Then, Pa came and patted the boys playing a baseball game and said, "You are the best player." Next, the Pa walked away and saw his son named Nell.
You're the best.
Okay, Pa walked away and saw his son Nell, and Nell hugged. They hugged each other and say, "Oh, how are you, son? I missed you." Now, what was in the story? We have the baseball players, Pa and Nell. All together, they sound like
Base panel.
very good. Base panel. Alright, now imagine the big key was hopping from one letter to another. Suddenly, the whiteboard whacked the key and said, "You're destroying the keyboard. That is not okay." So, what was in the story? We have the key and the whiteboard. All together, they sound like
Keyboard.
keyboard. Woo, this is kind of easy for you, right?